Today we'll be talking about one of the enigmas of the Mayab, Juan de la Cruz Puc, also known as the Maya Christ, the Maya Messiah, the Maya Prophet, a mysterious character that was very influential during the Case War. There is so little that is known, but it's believed that Juan de la Cruz Puc was a Maya from Xochen, one of the villages in the Yucatan Peninsula, and that he joined the Maya liberation in 1847. It's believed that he was a maestro cantor, and since he was from Xochen, it's more likely he was also a follower of the young Santísima Cruz Tone. When the Maya started to lose the war, Juan de la Cruz Puc was among those Maya fighters that went to find refuge in the jungles of Quintana Roo. There are many versions of what have happened there, but according to the Maya, a miracle happened. A cross appeared, and Juan de la Cruz Puc had a vision or heard the voice of Jajal, God, and he wrote the proclamation of the cross. This proclamation inspired the Maya to reorganize themselves militarily and religiously, forming the Maya capital of Noca, Santa Cruz, Ixbalamna, Compocolche. The proclamation of Juan says, "On the 15th of October, I began to speak, and I was born in this world. In the year of 1850, I, Juan de la Cruz, came to live in the village of Ixbalamna. I left my town of Xoquenca." And there is more to it. So, when the Maya got organized and the voice started to run around the peninsula about the miracle, the whites wanted to destroy the Maya cross. But the Maya never ever called this symbol the talking cross. They call it the most holy, La Santísima. On March 1851, the whites reached at the Maya capital of Chan Santa Cruz, or Noca Santa Cruz, and they burned the cross. Also, the voice of the cross was killed, Manuel Nawat. The whites, believing that destroying the cross would discourage the Maya of continue fighting, since they believed that the cross gave them power. But instead, Juan de la Cruz wrote a letter saying, "My children of the earth, see how I was born by the whites? My spirit is with you. You have nothing to worry about. Cut this wood, and from there you will take my body. My spirit is with you." And that's exactly what the Maya did. They did more crosses. The whites returned on June, and it's believed that Juan de la Cruz was captured. According to the Campeche paper El Phoenix, July 25, 1851, they wrote, "A famous native impostor has been captured who has been passing among the rebels as the Son of God, in spite of the more than 300 years that they have been taught. Only God knows how. The Messiah preaches wild, profane, and secret ceremonies and rites of the church. Here's confession, baptism, marriages, etc. It is believed that this person that they track is Juan de la Cruz Puc. Juan de la Cruz Puc in August also sent a letter to the whites complaining about the bad treatment he got. What happened to Juan de la Cruz Puc is still an enigma. Some believe that he died in battle, unrecognized by the whites. Some believe that he died from old age, and others believe that he went to heaven with Jajal, God, and others believe that he did not exist, that the name Juan de la Cruz was used by different people as an alias. But Juan de la Cruz Puc made the Maya reorganize themselves militarily, religiously, making them feel that Jajal was on their side and that now they are the chosen people of God. Now, his writings are kept in a book called the Santo Almatan, which means the Holy Commandments or the Law, which is known also as the Máasewáal Bible, which contains the sermons, prophecies of Juan de la Cruz Puc. So this is one of the reference that was used for this little video. Also, Nelson read the Case War of Yucatan. We can include Autopias, India's Social Religious Movements in Mexico by Alicia Barrabas. And we can also include Los Elegidos de Dios, God's Chosen Ones by Alfonso Villarrojas. Another historian that speaks about Juan de la Cruz is Serapio Vaquero Breve. Hachiyun Butik, Canaan Taba.